Insert epic introduction here. Welcome, my friends, to the north. To the northernmost north in Europe, to be precise. And to the northernmost border crossing video that you'll probably ever see. Because today, we're crossing the northernmost border crossing in the world. When it comes to cars, you know. And possibilities of crossing borders by car. So, with that being said, welcome to Suomi, Finland. Hey, you know, that's Finnish and means hello. And yes, today we're crossing the border to Norway, or as you might want to call it, Norway, which is another country. So we're leaving the European Union and we're entering Norway. And yes, that's pretty cool. So yes, northernmost border crossing ever. Northernmost border crossing, whatever. Okay, and we're currently on our way to a town called, I forgot the name, Utsjoki, something like that, Utsjoki. And there we have a church. Or something like that. So this is the north of Finland, so Lapland, whatever. And if we look to the right side, there is a lake, or as Finnish people might want to call it, it's Lampi or Järvi or Lahti or something like that. I don't know. Please, if someone knows, please tell me the difference between a Lampi, a Järvi and a Lahti. This is a Järvi. Beautiful, isn't it? So, another fun thing about the north of Finland, Lapland, is that it's pretty late, but if you look around, it could be like 12 p.m. or something. So there's not much of a visible difference between 12 a.m. and 12 p.m. So, yes. But that's because of, you know, the Arctic Circle and summer and stuff. So yes, as you know, it's summer, and here we have a Järvi, a beautiful Järvi. And where the hell is Utsjoki and Norway? Because, you know, there should be a river that separates Finland and Norway, and as soon as we cross that river or creek or whatever by car, we cross the border, you know. So the river is the border. What happens to the border if the river changes its direction or something? I don't know. Whatever. So, want to hear some more things about Finland? Maybe? Because, you know, in the past days I've turned into something like a Finland amateur or something. Yes, there are many reindeers. They're everywhere. Not that many moose though, but you can expect many reindeers here. And there's a campsite, Camping Lappinkylä, or something like that. Tell me if I nailed that. I doubt it. And now we have some trees on the left side and on the right side. So the vegetation here in the north of Finland is pretty cool. To be honest, it's really cool. Oh, you can see here there are yellow leaf trees and green leaf trees, so colorful. Could be fall. And look at this, there are fishes. A sign with fishes on it, and on the left side too, and some weird structures. Whatever. Utsjoki, just Utsjoki. Utsjoki 3 kilometers. And after Utsjoki there is Norway. And yes, that's where we're going. If you already forgot, repetition is important and stuff like that. So 50. Don't go too fast, because there's a huge town over there. Okay, now we're in Utsjoki. Look at this huge village. It's compared to the last village we've been to, it's really big, because there's more than one house. So that's pretty cool for Lapland. comparison, whatever. Yes, very good. Bikes, children, and another Finnish word. Wait, let me try. Koulukeskus. I think keskus means something like center or something. Because every town has a keskus. Or keskusta, something like that. Yes, there's Utsjoki. Utsjoki, let's look out of this window. The Utsjoki houses, Utsjoki car, Utsjoki trees, Utsjoki road, Utsjoki bikes, and oh my goodness, people! There seems to be some kind of a medieval festival. That's cute. Oh no, they try to catch reindeer horns with a rope. Really cool, really cool. Utsjoki. So there's a lot going on in Utsjoki, as you can see. As you can see. And back to what's on the side of the road. Trees, and more trees, and the path, and houses behind the trees. And what's there? Oh, look, there's a guy. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. I love Utsjoki. Okay, so yeah, Utsjoki, medieval festival or medieval party or whatever. And yes, there we go. Norway, that way. See what I did there? Norway, that way. No way we are going to Norway. Okay. We're 7 minutes into the video and we haven't seen a sign of Norway yet. Give us a sign, Norway. See what I did here? Oh, I see the bridge. So the bridge is this funny thing over there. That's the bridge. And that bridge leads us to Norway. So actually we should be there in a minute or so. Not even a minute. Kavila, which means something like coffee. Coffee's over there. I had a lot of coffee here in Finland because they sell coffee like everywhere. And there we have it. I see the Finnish flag, checkered flag over there, and the Norwegian flag over there as well. So really cool, really cool. So this is like the final stop here in Finland before we go to Norway. Hotel Utsjoki on the right side, but no, we decide not to visit Hotel Utsjoki and just go to Norway instead. We've got nothing to declare, so we'll stay on the green lane. And there are some moose. There are some moose. They try to cross the border as well. Wait. There they are. Just a minute or so. There they are. You see, I told you, they're everywhere. Even at the border. And appearing in my border crossing video. Yo, dude. Hey. Okay, back to crossing the border. This is the bridge to Norway. And Norway is over there. Look at this bridge. And there's a huge... Oh my goodness. My gimbal's dead. And there's a huge... Just drive slower, please. There's a river, a huge river. Great. We saw the river. Back to crossing the border. So, this is it. This is it. We're leaving Suomi. Hey, Suomi. And there we are. I don't understand the word. It means something OG Finnmark, whatever that means. Hello, Norway. So we're here in Norway, I suppose. Where's a Norway sign or anything? Please. Daytime headlights mandatory. So are your lights turned on? Please check. Otherwise, Politi will pull us over. Politi. The Politi will pull us. E.T. No, that didn't make much sense. So now we're here in Norway. Great. So now you've witnessed the northernmost border crossing video ever. because we went from the south to the north, and it's the northernmost. It was the northernmost border crossing, and there's a really Norwegian road, and now we're looking out of the window, looking at Norway. And what else did I want to say? Yes, there's not even a a border crossing checkpoint that's more up in the north than this one, not even in Alaska and Canada and stuff. So this is really spectacular. A treat. You can thank me in the comment section below. Now after you did that, you can also type something nice like yay or something like that. Just yay. Yay is enough. Totally enough. Thank you. Just write yay. If you manage to watch up until this point, you can also type yay. So just do that. Okay, and that's it. Goodbye, or hey in Finnish, and I don't know a single word in Norwegian. I'm sorry. Brrrr,